Hi, this is Apurv Nigam from BITS Pilani campus, and I will be presenting my stock pitch report on Power Grid Corporation. Power Grid Corporation is the Navratna Central Public Enterprise. It is CTU, Central Transmission Utility of India, and India's largest electric power transmission utility. It has been rated at par with sovereign rating, that is triple B minus by Fitch and S&P, and it denotes highest safety rating AAA by CARE, CRISIL and ICRA. It has made valuable contribution in Government of India's nation-building schemes such as Accelerated Power Development and Reform Program and Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Vidyutikaran Yojana. Shri R. N. Nayak is the current chairman and MD of this company. Now coming to its business profile, its business can be segregated into three major domains such as transmission, consultancy and telecom. Under transmission sector, it has India's largest EHV, that is extra high voltage and high voltage network. It operates grid management services by POSOCO, that is its fully owned subsidiary. Under consultancy domain, it provides in-house expertise in the transmission, distribution and telecom sector for planning, design, engineering and procurement, management, finance and operations. It serves both international and domestic markets. In telecom sector, it has leveraged its nationwide transmission infrastructure. It is implementing Government of India's strategic initiative like National Knowledge Network. Its availability of telecom network over transmission system is higher than 99%. Now coming to its company structure, Government of India is its major stakeholder with 69.42%. Institutional buyers like mutual fund and other qualified institutional buyers hold around 21.88%, and the rest 8.7% is held by HNIs, that is high net worth individuals and retail individual investors. Its major subsidiaries are POSOCO, Power Grid NM, and Power Grid Vimagri. Now coming to SWOT analysis, its strengths are high degree of diversification in transmission, telecom and consultancy domain, robust network across India, efficient manpower, very few network failures, and the most important, backing of central government. Its weaknesses are slow decision making process and manual network needs urgent computerization, central authority, and lack of technical support in rural areas. Its opportunities include growth potential in consulting business due to increase in the number of bee schools in India. Increase in harvesting methods can further lead to high diversification. Its threats include outdated grid can fail anytime, intense competition from other players and international players like BAIL, NTPC and Reliance Power, and changing government policy and intervention can affect its operation. Now coming to Porter 5% analysis, the threat of new entrants is low because the power generation industry is highly capital intensive industry. Threat of substitutes is medium because the power generation can be generated through a variety of other sources like wind, solar and nuclear power. Bargaining power of customers is medium. Current rivalry is medium between the NTPC, BAIL, Reliance Power and Adani Power, and bargaining power of suppliers is high because of the low availability of quality coal in India. Now the valuation of power grid is is done by using the FCFE model. Its beta is around 0.47. The cost of equity comes out to be 10.5%. In its expected growth rate over the 5-year period is 5.05%, and the intrinsic value comes out to be 120.47. Its current market price is around 94.5 rupees. And now looking at the historical data for over past 3 years, its trend looks quite positive, and it is expected to increase in the future. So my call is therefore a buy.